Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to download WhatsApp backup from Google Drive. Creating WhatsApp backups and storing them on Google Drive is a common practice nowadays. Many of you wonder if there is a chance to download WhatsApp backup from Google Drive. In this video, you will learn the real answer and the reliable way to download WhatsApp backup from Google Drive without performing any complex task. But you cannot directly download WhatsApp backup from Google Drive. Often, you can download all other data that has been backed up to Google Drive. Let's take a further look at how this happened. Firstly, you need to back up WhatsApp chat to Google Drive on your device. Go to the settings, tap on chats, and select chat backup. Backup to Google. This is the backup to Google Drive. Remember, select daily, which helps you to automatically backup every day. Then, open Google Drive on the browser. Click the settings icon on the top right corner. Then choose Manage Apps from the left panel and scroll down to find WhatsApp Messenger. Note, you cannot download WhatsApp backup from Google Drive because the only option for you is to disable backup sync from Google Drive. WhatsApp backup is end-to-end encryption. You have no choice to view or download from Google Drive directly. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.